Alright guys, we're gonna play a game called the Laundry Long Jump. We've got 2 laundry baskets. If you don't have laundry baskets, no big deal, just use 2 boxes or something to mark your starting line. Then you get to take your dirty laundry and dump it all over the ground in a line. And you can just spread it out a little bit evenly. Alright, you're gonna have a marker at the beginning, a piece of tape or something to jump from, and you're gonna get 3 jumps. Okay, so I have to be behind the line. I'm gonna use good form, take my arms up, bend them down, jump out, and then I'm going to mark where my heel is in the back. Okay, so my partner who's got the camera right now, go ahead. She's gonna take a hanger and she's gonna put it at the back of my heel to the side. Okay, so that's my first jump. I get 2 more to try to beat it. If you're playing against a family member, then you can use your own markers. Okay, so I'm just gonna do 1 more jump. Here we go. Arms up, bend them. Woo! I got it. Go Mr. D. Have fun, you get 3 jumps each. All right, couple things you might wanna try instead of just using dirty laundry. If you have a tape measure, you can just put the tape measure out and lock it in place. And then that way when you jump, you can look and see how far you got, okay? So a tape measure is an option. And then I recommend doing this on like carpet. If you have grass outside, you can do it on grass. If you do it on hardwoods, just be very careful. Thank you. All right, game 2 this week is a game that I actually created a long time ago with my brothers and sister at home, and I called it finger golf. So similar to real golf, you're gonna have a ball, okay? You can use any type of ball you have at home. If you have a ping pong ball, a wiffle ball, you could probably even roll up some socks and make that into a ball. And then you're gonna use your finger to flick the ball like you're hitting a golf ball with a golf club, okay? So all you need is a basket, and we put a basket over here by the door. Any kind of basket or cup will work. And then you're gonna take turns with a friend or family member, or you can do it by yourself. And I'm gonna say the first shot, I'm gonna put the ball on the couch and we're gonna shoot it at the target, okay? So my wife Becca and I are gonna challenge each other, all right? All right, here you go, shot 1. Oh! I swear I got a hole-in-one on my first shot. Go, Mr. D.
All right, I picked the spot this time, and I'm gonna try to get a hole-in-one.
Hold on 1 sec.
On the kitchen counter.
I'm going over there.
Oh man.
I get another hole-in-one.
What the heck?
Let's go!